Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, 8 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and studying regularly and following my online classes also. Today is my second revision class from chapter 1. Okay, classification of animal world from chapter 1, my revision class. First one, phylum 9, Chordata. Okay, starting point is Chordata. Chordata general characteristics. The notochord is a rod-like, unsegmented. Okay, rod-like and unsegmented, semi-rigid structure. It forms a stiffening body axis throughout life or at some stage in the life cycle of each chordate. Okay, so first one, notochord. Notochord is a rod-like, unsegmented and semi-rigid structure. Unsegmented অর্থাৎ অখণ্ডায়িত, ঠিক আছে, অখণ্ডায়িত, unsegmented and semi-rigid. Semi-rigid means rigid, semi-rigid, নমনীয়. Okay, semi-rigid structure. It forms a stiffening body axis throughout life or at some stage in the life cycle of each chordate. Then single dorsal tubular single dorsal tubular nerve cord remain present in surface. Okay, and pharyngeal. Okay, pharyngeal pouches means gill slit present throughout life or at some stages in the life cycle. Okay, and here example is man and toad. Okay, man, scientific name Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo sapiens. Phylum Chordata is divided into 3 subphylum. Okay, Chordata divided 3 subphylum. Subphylum. Okay, Chordata divided 3 subphylum, that is Urochordata, then Cephalochordata, and third one Vertebrata. Okay, so Chordata divided into 3 subphylum. First one Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Okay, so first one Urochordata. Urochordata general characteristics. Notochord present only in larval stage. Okay, notochord present only in larval stage and restricted onto the tail. Gill slits and dorsal tubular nerve cord present only in the early stage of the life cycle. Okay, life cycle, gill slit and dorsal tubular nerve cord present. Okay, example is Ascidia. Okay, this is Urochordata, Ascidia. Then Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata, notochord and nerve cord found along the entire length of body and persist throughout life. Okay, notochord and nerve cord found along the entire length সারা জীবনে এদের দেহে নটোকটের উপস্থিতি লক্ষ্য করা যায়. ওকে, notochord and nerve cord found along the entire length of the body and persist throughout life and looking like fish. Okay, looking like fish. This is cephalochordata. Cephalochordata example is branchiostoma. 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 Okay. Cephalochordata example is branchiostoma. Then go to vertebrata. Vertebrata. Okay. Vertebrata. The member of this subphylum is known as vertebrate. Okay. The member of this subphylum known as vertebrate. Vertebrate. Okay. Notochord is present only in embryonic stage and replaced by vertebral column in adults. Okay. Notochord present in embryonic stage and replaced by vertebral column in adults. Depending on structure and other characteristics, this subphylum is divided into 7 classes. How many classes? 7 classes. Okay. First one, class 1 Cyclostomata. Class 1 Cyclostomata. First one Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata general characteristics: body slender, eel-like, body slender, eel-like, rounded with naked skin. Okay, body slender, eel-like, rounded with naked skin. Fish-like in form. Okay, true jaws and paired appendage present. Okay, and paired appendage present. Jugnopakna. Clear? Respiration by gills. Respiration by gills. Fulka. Respiration by gills. Example is petromyzon. Petromyzon. Example is petromyzon. Okay. Then class 2 Chondrichthyes. Class 2 Chondrichthyes. 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 Class 2 Chondrichthyes. General characteristics: all marine, cartilaginous skeleton. Okay, cartilage. Cartilaginous skeleton. Skin with placoid. Skin with placoid scales. This is placoid scales. 5 to 7 pairs of gills are present on both sides of the head. Okay, 5 to 7 pairs of gills are present of both sides of the head and scale with placoid scale. Okay, most important point, placoid scale. Stemmed body with heterocercal tail. Okay, heterocercal tail presence. Heterocercal tail, but no operculum. Okay, they have no operculum but streamlined body with heterocercal tail, not homocercal, heterocercal. Okay, heterocercal tail means tail is one big and one small. Okay, this is heterocercal tail but no operculum. Okay, the example is shark. Chondrichthyes example is shark. Okay, then class 3 name is Osteichthyes. Okay, Osteichthyes general characteristics is mostly freshwater fish. Okay, freshwater. Mostly freshwater fish. Skin with cycloid. Okay, skin with cycloid, ctenoid or ganoid scales. Okay, cycloid, ctenoid or ganoid scales. Some without scale. Okay, respiration primarily by gills. 4 pair of gills are present on both sides of the head. Okay, how many pairs? 4 pairs. 4 pairs of gills are present on both sides of the head. Gills are covered by operculum. Okay. Example, Hilsa fish. Okay, Hilsa fish gills are covered by operculum, and respiration primarily by gills. 4 pair of gills are present on both sides of the head. Here, Osteichthyes example is Hilsa fish. Hilsa fish. Okay, Osteichthyes example is Hilsa fish, and you know this fish very well. Okay, Hilsa fish. Then class 4. Class 4 is Amphibia. Class 4 name is Amphibia. Amphibia. Okay, Amphibia. These animals can live underwater, breathing through their skin, but when on land, they breathe by lung. Okay. So these type of animals, you know, toad. Okay, toad. Here toad is Amphibia class under toad. T-O-A-D. Toad is under like the classes of Amphibia. Okay, these animals can live underwater, breathing through their skin. But when they on land, they breathe by lung. Okay, under the water they breathing by gills, and on land they breathe by lungs. They layer their eggs in water, and these hatch, okay, into larvae which breathe by gills. General characteristics: skin without scales. Skin without scales. Skin thin, soft, moist, and with many glands. Okay, skin without scales, they have no scales. Skin thin, soft, moist, and with many glands. Amphibians are cold-blooded animal. Very important MCQ. Okay, amphibians are cold-blooded. Okay, cold-blooded animal. Lay eggs in water. Okay, they lay eggs in water. A tadpole hatches from the fertilized egg. Okay, and your example is frog, toad, etc. Then go to class 5. Class 5 name is Reptilia. Okay, Reptilia. General characteristics: skin dry and with scales. Okay, very small scales. Skin dry and with scales. They move by crawling. Skin dry and with scale. They move by crawling. तारा बुके भर दिए चले. Skin dry and with scales. Each of the 4 legs contains 5 toes. Okay, each of the 4 legs contain how many? 5 toes. Absent in snakes and some lizards. Okay, absent in snakes and some lizards. Example is wall lizard. Example is wall lizard. Okay, Reptilia. Example is wall lizard, crocodile, snake, etc. are under the class of Reptilia. Lizard, crocodile, then snake. Okay, these are the under Reptilia. Then class 6. Class 6 name is Aves. Aves. Okay, Aves general characteristics is body is covered with feather. Body is covered with feather. 2 wings, 2 legs and 1 beak. Okay, 2 wings, 2 legs and 1 beak. Body is covered with feather. The presence of air sac with lung helps in flight. Okay, the presence of air sac with lung helps in flight. উড়ার সময়. All birds are warm blooded. Okay, amphibia was cold blooded animal and aves are all birds are warm blooded. Okay, bones are light, strong, delicate and lacked with air cavities. Bones are light, okay, strong, delicate and lacked with air cavities. Okay, example: crow, duck, magpie. Okay, crow, duck, magpie. Crow, duck, magpie. Okay, then class 7. Class 7 name is Mammalia. Class 7 we are under the class Mammalia. Okay, class 7 name is Mammalia. General characteristics: body covered with hair. Okay, our body covered with hair. Female mammal suckle their young on milk from mammary glands. Okay, female mammal suckle their young on milk from mammary gland. Okay, mammary gland. Warm blooded animal. Okay, this under this class all animals are warm blooded animals, so we are warm blooded animal. 4 chambered heart, very important. Okay, point: 4 chambered heart. Teeth heterodont. Okay, varying in structure and function. Teeth heterodont. We know already we have 4 types of teeth. Okay, canine, incisor, premolar and molar. They are varying in structure and function. Okay, so teeth heterodont. Teeth heterodont, varying in structure and function. All the mammal give birth to child. All the mammal give birth to child. Example: man, camel. Okay, Royal Bengal tiger. Then necessity of classification. Okay, necessity of classification. Necessity of classification. Okay, necessity of classification. The unit of classification is called taxon. Taxon helps to classify the vast animals world. The 7 major taxa are as follows. They are kingdom, phylum, class, order. Okay, order, family, genus, species. ঠিক আছে? Okay, all right. These are 7 major taxa: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. To identify an animal, taxonomy should match the characteristics of the animal with the above mentioned 7 taxa. Okay. Classification is a scientific approach by which we can gather knowledge about different plants and animals easily. It saves our labor, money and time. Okay, classification is essential to identify any animal, including the newly discovered one. Okay, interrelationship between different animals can be determined with the help of classification. We can determine the systemic position of the organism according to the evolutionary trend. Okay, organisms can be arranged into different taxa by following definite rules. This also allowed us to trace the affinity of the group of organism to other. It is useful to determine the collective and systematic knowledge about organism. For example, or acellular, okay, acellular means unicellular animals are grouped under one phylum and all multicellular animals under 9 phylum. Okay, so these are the important topics from this chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.